What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T, here today with another Soul Supremacy mystery box. $915 for this box shipped. Came to me the other day. This was probably one of my most expensive boxes for the year so far for 2020. 915 bucks. Complete mystery, man. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of shoes. We're gonna jump right in this one today. Kind of excited about it. Like I said, probably my most this one is my most expensive box of the year so far, and hopefully, man, I got some good stuff in it. Might be a little too hype for it, but we'll see. This knife is super dull. I need to sharpen this one up. I might have to go do that after this video. First off, I got a lot of loose shoes in this box, man. I normally don't like that. But we got some zebras. This is not the new release. I can tell from the bottom. These are a size 10.5. Man, my size. Size 10.5. Check them out. The bottoms look to be pretty clean. Very clean. Y'all still rocking with these? These are pretty good. These are pretty cool to me. I actually like these, this colorway in the 350. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna set these over here with all this. No, I'm throwing down here. All right, here we go. Got those out the way. We got a bunch of random Jordans in here without a box. Sport Blue 6s, size 10 on the Sport Blue 6s. These look to be pretty clean. Check them out. And I want to say these are replacement laces. I mean, they're white, but they don't look like a Jordan brand lace to me. I'm not sure. These look like replacement laces. Don't quote me on that. They kind of feel like a replacement lace too. Sport Blue 6 is size 10. To me, this is when that plastic leather with Jordan brand kind of started, man. These would have been so dope with tumbled leather, just higher quality material. Man, I need some gloves pulling these up. Alternate something, I forgot the name of these. Size 11.5. Ooh, got a funk to them. These are straight up beaters. Check them out. The bottoms look like somebody tried to repaint it. I don't know what's going on here. These gotta be a throw-in pair. These have to be a throw-in pair. These are pretty beat. Size 11.5. I mean, somebody might want them to restore them or whatever. We got some more. Oh, man. We got two more pair without boxes. I'm trying to knock those out first. We got some Oreo 4, size 10.5. And somebody for sure did a lace swap on these with some Oreo laces to match the midsole down here. Check out the back. These not as beat as those 8s. Still have a little life left. I might have some laces, some black laces to throw in. If anybody cops these, I might throw in some black laces just in case you don't like this Oreo look. I'm pretty sure I got some extra laces somewhere. Last pair without a box. So we got 5 pair without a box. 5 pair of shoes without boxes. These come with the some extra laces. There's 11, the women's. Pretty clean size. These are a size 10. Size 10. Still got plenty of life left in these. These should bring back at least 100 bucks from the box. 11s always sell. We still have a lot of life left. This is a big enough size where I know some of the guys was buying the huge women's sizes so that they can rock them. That's a lot of pairs without boxes. Man, I hate that. All right, we're gonna jump into these with boxes. I got 5 pair with boxes, so this box has a total of 10 pair. That's crazy. We got a Jordan 6 box, size 11. Infrared 6s. Very, very clean infrared 6s. Take out both of them. Nike Air on the back. You can just tell from the side how icy the bottom is. The toe cap does have some creases. They do come with the lace locks. And check out the midsole again. These are pretty icy. They go to the bottom. Very good pickup. I didn't realize how sought after this shoe was. This shoe still goes for a pretty penny, even used. I sold so many pair of them. But like I said, I'm surprised those go for so much. Size 9 Air Jordan 1. Not the cool Jordan 1 though. Size 9 Air Jordan 1. We got the AJKOs. AJKOs. Check them out. These are pretty clean though. Not too much star loss on the bottom. Check out the other one. Air Jordan KO, size 9. Pretty clean. The bottom. Check out the stars. Not too much star loss. Still got a lot of life left in them. I don't know what year this was released. 2009. All right, we got 3 pair left in this box. We got a Nike box. Oh, a size 11 Mowabb OG. Mowabb or Mowabb, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I was looking for this shoe a couple of years ago because I liked it. I forgot who video I seen it in. It was some sneaker YouTube when I used to watch sneaker YouTube. This shoe was dope to me. Then I seen how much the shoe was going for, and the shoe, this right here is like an X factor. I love this about beater boxes. Then I hate it because like these shoes still go for like 300 bucks. All right. And you just got to find that right person to get them. But it's kind of like an X factor shoe for the box, man. If it sells, it makes the box just a great box. I mean, the box is already looking pretty good so far, but this right here is going to be a tough move. Hopefully, somebody out there looking for him because he still go for a pretty penny. So, we'll see, man. We'll see. How y'all feel about this? The ACGs. Size 11. Looking at it now, it'd probably be too narrow for me, so I'm glad I never did order it. But I don't know. I'm not feeling them as much as I was, but still a cool looking shoe. ACG. 2 pair left. Air Jordan 4, size 11. I just got some 4s. Royal 4s. Royalty or Royal? Yeah, Royalty 4s. Pretty used. Still have a little life left, but definitely used. Size 11. I think I told y'all that. Scoot back some so you guys can see them. Check them out. You guys probably seen this shoe a billion times. To me, this is one of those 4s. If it had been limited or something like that, it probably would have sold out like crazy. The colorway is dope, black and gold, but they just didn't sell out like that. Size 11, won't be keeping them. My size, been keeping way too much stuff. My collection is only supposed to be 25 pair, and I've been irresponsible, man. Say this box for last. Size 11 and a half. I'm so glad this is not a mid or a low. That would have sucked. All right, man, we got some Bred ones. This is definitely the money shoe of the box. These are fire. I've had them so many times. They do come with the black laces. Check them out. Size 11.5, very clean, very dope. Probably my favorite Jordan 1. The Bred toes too. I like the Bred toes. I like the white in them. But these are dope. This is definitely the money shoe of the box. Very clean. $915 beater box. All these shoes should still be available. Hit me up on the Instagram or email me. TGOTSOLE@gmail.com or on Insta @TGOTSOLE. Twitter, everywhere is @TGOTSOLE. This box was full, 10 pair, a lot of shoes without boxes. I might have to do my work with this one. I don't know what I'm doing with all these boxless shoes, but hit me up if you see anything. I want to say thank you to everyone who's been ordering mystery boxes from me. It was a few of you guys, about 3 or 4 of you guys ordered boxes from me last month, or within the last month. So thank you for that, man. That's it takes a lot of trust for somebody like myself to build you guys boxes and ship them out. And from the responses I've been getting, everybody loves the boxes, and we'll be probably coming back to get more. So hit me up if you guys looking for a box. I'll build them up, ship them out, email me. We'll figure it all out, the details. So again, thank you for you guys who've been ordering those and just emailing me and stuff like that. So I appreciate it. That's what helps me keep this stuff moving. So greatly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button, like, share, all that cool stuff. That's gonna do it for today's video. I'm out. Peace.